We pray for blessings, we pray for peace, comfort for family, protection while we sleep. We pray for healing, for prosperity. We pray for your mighty hand to ease our suffering. And all the while, you hear each spoken need. Yet love is way too much to give us lesser things. 'Cause what if your blessings come through raindrops? What if your healing comes through tears? What if 1,000 sleepless nights are what it takes to know you're near? What if trials of this life are your mercies in disguise?
Nagbahasa deha.
We pray for wisdom, your voice to hear. And we cry in anger when we cannot feel you near. We doubt your goodness, we doubt your love. As if every promise from your word is not enough. And all the while, you hear each desperate plea, and long that we'd have faith to believe. 'Cause what if your blessings come through raindrops? What if your healing comes through tears? And what if 1,000 sleepless nights are what it takes to know you're near? And what if trials of this life are your mercies in disguise? When friends betray us, when darkness seems to win, we know the pain reminds this heart that this is not our home. It's not our come through raindrops? What if your healing comes through tears? And what if 1,000 sleepless nights are what it takes to know you're near? What if my greatest disappointments or the aching of this life is the revealing of a greater thirst this world can't satisfy? And what if trials of this life, the rain, the storms, the hardest nights, all your mercies in disguise?
Uwili lang kayo. Pag boots di, kadut sa doy. Aman tong boots mo pa. Pag kadut sa. Baon taning boots.
My heart is so proud. My mind is so unfocused.
Ya, makuan man.
I see the things you do for me. It's great things I have done. And now you gently break me, and lovingly you take me.
Nakuan na di?
Hold me as my father, and mold me as my maker.
Uwili kayo.
I ask you how many times will you pick me up
to di.
And as long as you're seeking my face, you walk in the power of my daily sufficient grace. At times I make a wish and feel a bit discouraged, knowing that someone somewhere could do a better job. For who am I to serve you? I know I don't deserve you, but that's the part that burns in my heart and keeps me
Thank you for all the help.
hanging on.
May the good Lord bless you more.
I ask